Okay, pag-usapan natin muna, Boss Bray, yung quick recap of first round ng elimination ng UAAP. Ano yung na-figure out natin each team?
O nga pala, no, hindi pa tayo nakapag-recap dong last week. Naka 2 games na
Kakabiba
tayo,
Max
no?
pa yan. Oo, kakabiba Max pa kasi yan. Recap, Boss Bray. Ano na-figure out natin? From top to bottom na lang. Ano na-figure out natin sa UP Red Warriors? UP Fighting Maroons.
Isa-summarize ko na lang para mabilis.
Sige.
Tatlo lang ang sigurado ako. Ngayon, isama na natin yung first round tsaka tong first
second
first
round.
2 games tsaka first 2 games sa second round.
Na second round.
Number 1, UST. Huli na talaga kayo. Okay? So, wala na talagang pag-asa. Yun lang ang tingin ko dyan sa UST. And then, UP and LaSalle will make it to the Final Four. The rest, come and go. Bahala na. Kasi, NU had a good first round. Pero ngayon, they lost Enriquez. I think he's gonna get a surgery, no? Or ewan ko, baka na surgery na to si Enriquez. Joe, ata to dun sa UE game, tama ba? Dislocated Joe. Yeah.
Oo, nadali.
Nadali, dislocated Joe. So, natalo sila last game against LaSalle. So kung contender na naman ang kakalabanin nila next game, then I'm not sure if they can still make it to the Final Four. Kasi nandyan pa yung Adamson. Even though Jerome is not there, Adamson can maybe still go into the Final Four, and Ateneo is there as well kahit natalo sila kahapon. And then meron pang dalawa UE tsaka FEU vying for that last spot din. So magkakalapit lang kasi. So yun lang ang sure ko dyan. How about you?
Okay. Pangapyaw na lang each team. Anong tingin ko dyan? Okay? UP, automatic Final Four. Automatic number 1.
Yeah.
Automatic yan. Okay? Mas automatic pa yan dito sa dalawang to. Okay? Automatic yan. And then I think because of their coaching and because Humamoy would have a better playing time this second round because of the absence of Steve Nash Enriquez. And as well as Malonzo and Figueroa who take up the slack. I think mariretain ng NU yung second place.
Over
yun
LaSalle?
Ang aking opinion. Over LaSalle. LaSalle naman, I think they will contend with NU for that second spot for the twice to beat. Opinion ko lang naman na NU because of the coaching and because of the familiarity of the players. Pero hindi ako magtataka kung maagaw ng LaSalle yung second spot. Tingin ko nga ang hirap talunin ng LaSalle ngayon second round. Why? KQ is now an MVP candidate and his game has no spots. Spotless ang laro ni KQ, Boss Bray. Shooting, passing, defending.
Yeah.
Saan ka pa?
Tapos nakapag-triple-double di ba?
Yeah, first triple-double in a few years, no?
Yeah. The last
Probably
time was
since our page got funded.
the last time was Cancino, 2018.
Si CJ nakapag-triple-double?
Yeah, per Pong.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
At least matagal-tagal na rin yun. Mantika pa siya noon.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, pa yun? Yung mga time na mahilig siya sa sarsa ng adobong mantika, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Speaking of CJ, happy birthday.
Belated happy birthday, boy. Ano mo yan, di ka nakapaglaro tuloy, Brad.
Nagkikwento lang mabilis na nakakatawa. Kasi alam mo naman, Boss Bay, na di ba, fan ng page natin yung most of his family ni Boy Mantika, di ba?
Yeah.
Lalo na yung mommy niya na medyo wala na ngayon. For siya, birthday ni CJ, 3 days ago? Tapos, ni-share ng tatay niya yung Boy Mantika happy birthday meme. Kahapon lang.
Kahapon lang.
Oo, galing. tatay mo, CJ, ha? Belated daw, sabi ng tatay mo.
At least shinare niya, no?
Oo, at least yun. Kung kakandidato ka man or kung kandidato ka ngayong election, sana manalo kayo, sir. Yeah. Tayo, kansino hanggang sa huli. You know? Yun, tapos, UP, and then NU and DLSU will vie for that last twice to beat spot. And then, syempre, kung dalawa yung nagbabay ng twice to beat, yung isa doon, third place. So, fourth place na lang ang question mark, Boss Bri.
Yeah.
Sabi ko nga, it's gonna be a team that starts with letter A. Diba? At yung team na yon malamang kulay blue. And also,
may ibon.
May ibon yun. Oo.
Yeah.
At also, may mga pogi.
Okay.
Magkakatalo na lang siguro kung saan maraming pogi. Diba?
Yung coach ba may buhok o wala?
Saan pa banda yan? Depende kung saan banda yan, di ba? Teka lang, meron pala ako siya shoutout for, speaking of pogi, ha? Ito yung gusto kong i-shoutout eh. Kamukha ko to eh. Ayan ako. Pogi oh.
Sino ba yan?
Singuyin. Oo, diba? Yan nga pala eh. May paraparnalya dito si yung kabit niya eh, si Swashbuckler. May mga paraparnalya dito. Ayan, binabati ko nga pala si Didat Hanaping Nguyen.
Yes.
Congratulations sa panalo nyo. At hindi ka masyadong inupo. Very good. Medyo favorite ka pala. Ayun, kumbaga magkakatalo na lang dyan, Adamson and Ateneo sa fourth spot. As for me, ang lamang ng Ateneo dyan, sobrang lalim nila kung mag-gel sila eh.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Sa guards spot, meron silang Ketebis, Espinosa, Brown.
Yeah.
Sino pa yung isa? Garcia ba yun?
Natatawa lang ako tuwing nakakalimutan mo eh.
Ano pangalan na Garcia?
Gomez.
At least letter G rin sinabi ko. Ikaw naman. And also, Obasa is probably second to Malik Diop in terms of consistency.
Oo,
Na before, akala ko si Momoy. Di ba kahapon, pinupost niya na si Diop na di ba?
Yeah.